Service delivery in the health sector and the judiciary has been hampered as the country records a surge in the number of coronavirus cases. Our reporter Gatete Njoroge followed an expectant woman who could not get health services in 2 facilities and had to endure a difficult journey before she could be attended to. Her story exemplifies the struggle of many Kenyans in areas where health centers have been shut down. In the same breath, the Makadara Law Courts has been closed for 2 weeks after the COVID-19 cases were confirmed.
A closure notice is what welcomes many patients at the Westlands Health Center. The facility, which serves many expectant women and other patients, was closed on Monday for 2 weeks after a COVID-19 case was reported. At the waiting area, empty seats, closed offices tell the story of disrupted services. We meet 2 women, one expectant and the other a friend, oblivious of the closure notice. They walk in hoping to be served, only to be turned back by one of the nurses. I decided to follow them and understand why they came here and what their next option would be. The expectant woman, whose identity we conceal, tells me on the previous day she had gone to a health facility in Gashie, Kiambu, to seek prenatal care. There, she waited in line with many other patients, but she was not served. Her option, after not being attended to twice, would be the Kangemi Health Center. Her journey to Kangemi becomes more difficult. She has to rely on public transport, and even when she alights at the stage, she has to walk again for more than a kilometer. Here, she's relieved services have not been disrupted. We parted, assured that at least she will be attended to. Pumwani Maternity Hospital still remains closed. The facility was closed last week after 41 health workers tested positive for coronavirus. The security personnel at the facility tell us there are now new admissions and that only expectant mothers who were at the facility before closure are being attended to. At least 20 births were recorded here daily before closure. At the Makadara Law Courts, Kefa Kidiago arrives to pay bond for his relative. To his dismay, the gates are locked, and he is informed that the court has been closed for 14 days after 2 COVID-19 cases were reported. Kidiago is informed that only those paying cash bail are allowed to access the facility.
Kufika hapa leo asubuhi nikasikia koti imefungwa for 14 days. Mimi ningeomba serikali siku 14 imeweka mingi sana. Hata ingilizo kama ni 7 days because watu wanaumia ndani sana.
Many like Kefa who arrive here seeking services are turned back. Inside the court compound, cleaning is in progress. The closure of courts now delaying justice for Kefa and many others who hope that the online court services will come in handy.